Once upon a time, in our vast cosmic neighborhood, there lived a planet named Mars. He is Earth's closest neighbor. But if you look at him, Mars always looks a bit cranky and very, very red. Is he angry? Or is he just shy? Why so red? Actually, Mars wasn't always this way. Long, long ago, he used to be a lot like Earth. He had blue rivers and fluffy white clouds. But Mars was a bit forgetful. He didn't have a thick blanket like Earth does. We call it an atmosphere, to keep him safe and dry. Imagine you leave your favorite toy robot outside in the garden during the rain. What happens? It gets rusty, right? That is exactly what happened to Mars. Mars is covered in iron, just like your toys. Because he didn't have his umbrella or a warm blanket, the iron on his skin started to rust. Today, Mars is basically a giant floating ball of rust in the sky. So, when you see that tiny red dot in the night sky, don't be afraid. He's not angry. He's just an old, rusty planet who lost his oceans. And is now waiting for a friend from Earth to come and visit him. Maybe one day, that friend will be you.